Today's feature is on this pair of Tomica Subaru WRX Police. The one on my right is the latest Aeon exclusive release, the Italian Police in smaller scale of 1:67, while the one on my left is the larger scale Tomica shop release in 1:62, which was released last month. I will also do a similar double feature for the Tomica Mercedes-Benz G-Class for my next video, so stay tuned for that. And now let's take a closer look at the Tomica shop exclusive Subaru WRX. The box comes in a generic Tomica shop theme. It also states that this casting comes with an opening hood as well. Scale-wise, it's pretty large. There's no specific police department, just a foreign police specification. But first impression to me, it does look like an American petrol car. Instead, it's labeled as Police for Tomica Town. I guess TSPD stands for Tomica Shop Police Department between the star logo. Apart from the opening hood, it comes with the Tomica standard suspension, the standard Tomica police light bar, and also the Tomica shop label on the rear. For the rear, it's just basic painted rear light with the Subaru logo, which is also similar for the front. Overall, this Subaru WRX petrol car looks pretty huge to me. Bonus feature is the opening hood, and it's also a decent looking petrol car. Next is the Aeon exclusive Italian Police Subaru WRX. Although this casting comes in a smaller scale without any opening parts, it's quite an impressive casting for me. I really love this Italian Police livery. It's looking very sleek with the lightning design. It also comes with the standard Tomica suspension, and overall being all black except for the right roof, it also looks quite threatening and fierce. But unlike the Tomica shop version, I'm glad that it has a plastic headlights except for the opening hood, and overall I'm very pleased with this Italian Police petrol car. Although both comes in different scale, which is typical for Tomica, they look great side by side. They make a great pair and will be a nice addition for the Subaru lover, as well as for the Tomica Police collectors. Remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone, bye!